channel. My name is Fluff, and if you're new here, thank you for joining. And if you're one of my loyal beauties, then welcome back. So today, do not judge me. Do not judge how I'm looking right now. We're going to be doing a tutorial, so just ignore what's going on with my face and just listen, okay? Listen. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do like my everyday like smoky eye basically. So if you guys want to see how I do it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so obviously I already have my concealer applied and my base set. You don't have to set your base. I just like to because sometimes I feel like my base just creases way too much. So the palette that we're going to be using today is the Jaclyn Hill palette. If you do not have this palette, I'm not sure if it's still available for purchase, but if you can get this palette, get it, because this palette has everything you will ever need, okay? It has your nudes, it has your pinks, it has your like glitters, it has your browns, it has your black, like everything you need is in this palette. This still to date to me is one of Morphe's best made palettes, okay? So we're going to be doing like a soft bronze like smoky eye. So I'm going to be starting off with this really red color. This color is the color Huntz. And I'm just going to show you guys on camera. This is what the color looks like. And ignore my brushes because I just filmed this look twice. I literally just had to go and watch. Look at that pigment. Look. I didn't even, look at that pigment. That is crazy. But yeah, anyway, so ignore the fact that my brushes look a little used, okay? They were clean before I started recording. But I had to wipe it away because it wasn't coming out right. But I love y'all, so guess what? I just started over. Cause what the F? I'm just gonna start over. So I'm using Huntz and I'm basically just trying to like keep that concentrated and going like around my eye, like my crease area. I feel like we've all been there where we've been doing just like our normal routine and for whatever reason, you just not cooperating with yourself that day. So today, that was my day. And why, I don't know, but that's just the way the cookie crumbled. I kind of hate when that happens. Like, I'm really good at eyeliner, but I swear, no, I'm really good at my brows. But when I tell y'all the other day, I don't know what was going on. My hands were shaking. It wasn't turning out well. Can we talk about the fact that I hit my pan like once or twice and this color has completely covered my crease? Just saying, definitely one of the best palettes that I have across the board. So I have completely made myself look like a clown and that's what I wanted. So now I'm going to be going in with the shade Creamsicle, which is like this gorgeous like mustard. That is so pretty. It's like a mustard color. It's so pretty. So I'm going to be going in with that and blending out my crease. So I'm going to take that and like apply it on the outer edge of this burnt orange color. Now I'm going to go back in with that dark orange color and kind of like re-accentuate my crease because I want that color to really show. So I'm just going to go back and go over what we already did. And I'm using a pointed blender brush to do this because I want to really concentrate the color in that area. So now I'm going to be taking the color Creamsicle and pretty much packing this onto all of that white space on our lid. So because I do want to add some shine to this, I'm going to go in with the color Obsessed and pack that on top of that yellow mustard color, because right now this is giving me McDonald's vibes, and that's just, you know, that's just not what we're going for. So we're gonna kind of tone this down by adding in some shimmer, because you know, glitter just makes everything better. And I'm actually putting my brush into some Fix Plus first, just to make sure it's super pigmented when I pick it up. So now I'm going to be going in with this like really creamy, not creamy, but like, I don't know, warm brown. And this is in the color Roxanne. And I'm going to concentrate that pretty much on my outer V, because I really want to kind of like tone the, I just kind of want to tone it down. And that's perfect. This is going to kind of bring everything together. I'm not shading this everywhere. I'm literally keeping it right on my outer V. And if I did not say it enough times already, this is like the best palette ever. Like, all of these pigments show up so easy. Like, these are some of the best shadows. And I've had this palette for probably about whenever it came out. Like some time now. So this quality is amazing on this palette. Now, all Morphe palettes are not created equal, but that's a topic for another video. So I'm just smoking that out. And if I really want to deepen it, I can add in some black. But I'm kind of scared because I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up, so we're not gonna add in the black. We're just gonna do liner. So now I'm gonna be taking the Kat Von D eyeliner in the color brown and do me a wing. Fun fact, I don't really like eyeliner unless it's winged. You know what? Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. Usually I don't, but it just depends. This is actually a really dark brown, really like an off black. I won't even call this liner brown. It kind of looks brown on camera, but in person it looks pretty dark to me. I was going for more chocolate vibes, but whatever. What do y'all think? Should we wing it? We should wing it. I didn't know I asked. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my lashes and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my lashes on, but I want to complete the eye look by adding some more eyeshadow on my like lower lash line. So let's go in with that nice rich brown color. Let's do Roxanne and smudge out my lower lash line. And then last but not least, I'm going to be going in with some mascara. I am using the Better Than Sex Waterproof. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. Absolutely love the way that it came out. I feel like these orangey, brownie colors are like light enough for you to be able to wear during the daytime, but the smokiness of the look allows you to still be able to wear it during the nighttime for like a date night or even going out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well so you can get an alert every time I upload a video. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.